what do you use acid to do? Okay, so what are the uses of acid? What are the benefits of acids? So that's the next subtopic I'm talking about today, which are the uses of acid. The uses of acid. Okay, so what do you use acid for? Yes. So number one, HCl, for example, is used to remove rust. Okay, removes rust. Nice. Also, citric acid, okay, is used to form fruit juice. Okay, nice. Also, H2SO4 is used in lead acid accumulators. Okay, so because this is a strong electrolyte, it can be used in some batteries to generate electricity. Okay, for current flows. Nice. Also, stearic acid is used to form soap. That's saponification. Saponification. Okay, when you use acid to form soaps. Nice. Also, you can use boric acid. Boric acid, okay, to form mild antiseptic in some industries. Okay, so these are some salient uses of acid that you get to use in the society.